with another video. And yes, y'all, check this out, man. It's been a minute since I done the video, but if you notice, guys, I got a house. That was just the backyard I was working on. So right now, guys, we're driving. Myself, also my dad and my son. We're driving to. We went to Costco, bought some stuff for the garage, but I was cleaning the backyard. I moved in and the grass needed to get cleaned up, so I cut the grass, and I really wanted to spend the day cleaning Integra because I have some stuff coming up. I'm gonna have someone collaborate with me and come and check out the Integra, which it's pretty. But yeah, I was gonna try to get it all ready for this next Sunday. I'm gonna have. But guys, I mean, house is first, so I'm gonna continue vlogging in a minute. But yes, man, I'm actually excited. We're gonna go check out some TVs. There it is, guys. My dad and my son right there, man. Dudes are right here. So enjoy, man. Enjoy the rest of the video. But if you are new to my channel, I want you to hit the like. Also, comment below if you put a shout out. I will be giving a shout out to those that are watching. Man, I want to say thank you, man. Shout out to you. Because of you, I'm actually highly motivated to continue to vlog. The views I noticed are local here in the Phoenix area. So shout out to Phoenix, Arizona. If you are just starting to watch, subscribe to my channel, guys. You're not gonna regret subscribing to my content. Why? Because I will be giving some giveaways pretty soon. There's a special part that I want to use for my meetings, which I'll be handling out $100 bills, guys. Yes, y'all. $100 bill, y'all. So I'll be dropping $100 bills. I'll be telling you how am I gonna be doing this. So subscribe, like, also, put me on your bell notifications because you're not gonna regret it. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you, man. It's gonna get crazy. I'm gonna start giving away money and also gifts. So yes, y'all. So I'm gonna go back. See you guys in a minute.